Hi everyone, this is Teacher Hernan and today we are having a wonderful class. We are learning some new vocabulary, some new words to use in the kitchen, plus we will learn how to cook Colombian rice, or at least the rice that most people eat in Colombia. Here are all the ingredients. We have the rice, a jar with water, some butter, the spoon. Here I have the salt, cups, oil, the cooking pot that we are using today, plus the pot lid. This is the lid and this is the pot. Here is the stove, so let's get started. So this stove has from 1 to 6. I am going to put it in the highest, which is 6. Then we have to put some water, 2 cups of water in the pot. One spoon of salt. Here we have 1 spoon of oil. And finally 1 spoon of butter. Then you have to mix it all and wait for a couple of minutes until it boils. Okay, so let's sum up. 2 cups of water, 2 cups of water, 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of oil, and 1 spoon of butter. Everything has to be put in the cooking pot. Remember, at the beginning, you must put everything in high heat. This stove has 6 levels of heat. Okay, so I am using number 6, which is the highest. Okay, so look, it boiled already. So once yours is like this, is the time to put the rice. Remember, 1 cup of rice. So 1 cup of rice, just like I said before. Now that you have put the rice in the pot, mix it up a little bit. And please lower the heat. So here it's 6, put it in 3. Okay. Finally, put the lid and wait. Okay, so now that we have mixed all the ingredients, we have put the lid to the cooking pot. It's time to review the vocabulary we have learned and wait for at least 20 minutes to see if the rice is ready. Leave it as dry as possible. In my case, I like it very dry. So it all depends on your taste, on your interests, okay? So let's do a vocabulary review. This is a cup. Here it's the salt, butter, oil, rice, a jar with water, and a spoon. A cooking pot with its lid. This is the lid. We also have a stove, and the stove has different levels of heat from 1 to 6. So we can call it low heat, it could be 1 and 2, mid heat, which is 3 and 4, and maybe high heat, which is 5 and 6. So far, these are the new words we have learned. 15 new vocabulary words for all of you. Plus, I am putting English in context. This is a recipe for those of you that don't know how to make rice, how to prepare, how to cook rice. from those of you from Colombia and from other countries, this is white rice. This is the most common rice in Colombian families. I am going to show you the result in a second. Prior that, I just want a quick reminder. It is very important for you to load the heat once you have poured the rice, okay? Load the heat unless you want it to be burned, okay? If you want it to be burned, then leave it in 6, but if not, put it in 3. You know that it's ready if it's dry. As you can see, it seems dry. You can taste it to see if it meets your expectations, and if it does, just turn off the stove and start eating. That's it. This is the end of our class. So before finishing, I just want a quick review of the vocabulary again. Cup, rice, jar, water inside, oil, butter, salt, spoon, a stove with different levels of heat, low heat, mid heat, high heat, the pot lid and the pot. I am going to grab a fork to try the rice just to make sure that it's ready. Here's the fork, extra word, fork. Let's try it. For my taste, it's ready. So I am going to turn off the stove. And that's it. Today, we have learned some new vocabulary and a new recipe, just in case you do not know how to make rice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the yellow button next to the subscribe button. Once again, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for learning with Teacher Hernan. Bye bye.